Oh, hell no, you can't just cancel on me and think I'm gonna...
Everything okay?
Yes, everything's fine. What are you doing here?
Well, I brought a movie for us to watch because it's Valentine's Day. I obviously was gonna be lonely, but some guy flake on you tonight.
Of course not. I'm not a loser like you. People don't flake on me.
Uh-huh. You seem a little overdressed to be playing your VR porn game, don't you think? Oh, look at you, all alone and dateless on this lovely night. Let me help you out, you loser.
Okay, fine, you win. I severely need a dick right now. Please help.
No! Listen, pal. Let's discuss this thing sanely, huh?